Python programming language. Lists. Learn essential techniques for creating, accessing, and modifying Python lists. Python lists, initialized using square brackets or the list constructor. They can hold various data types, making them versatile for storing multiple items. Access list elements using index positions, starting from 0. Slicing allows retrieval of sublists, providing flexibility in data handling. Modify lists by adding elements with append, removing them with remove, and changing existing items using indexing. These operations enhance list management. Loops are used to iterate over lists, allowing each element to be processed systematically. Both for and while loops, commonly employed for this purpose. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists using expressions and loops. They are efficient for generating new lists from existing data. Python offers various built-in list methods like sort for sorting, reverse for reversing order, and extend for extending lists. These methods simplify list manipulation. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product brand and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.